Self-discipline is the cornerstone of success. It's the ability to control impulses and resist temptations in order to achieve long-term goals. Building willpower can be challenging, but it's a skill that can be cultivated with consistent effort. Here's a step-by-step formula to help you develop self-discipline. 1. Set clear and achievable goals. Specificity. Define your goals precisely. Instead of saying I want to lose weight, say I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months. Measurability. Ensure you can track your progress. Attainability. Set goals that are challenging but realistic. Relevance. Make sure your goals align with your values and aspirations. Time-bound. Set a deadline to create a sense of urgency. 2. Break down goals into smaller steps. Chunking. Divide large tasks into smaller, manageable ones. This makes them less overwhelming and increases your chances of success. Prioritization. Identify the most important tasks and focus on completing them first. 3. Create a routine. Consistency. Establish a daily routine that includes time for your goals. Structure. Having a predictable schedule can help you stay on track and reduce decision fatigue. Practice mindfulness. Awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Acceptance. Accept your thoughts and emotions without trying to change them. Focus. Bring your attention back to the present moment when your mind wanders. Reward yourself. Positive reinforcement is key. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Tangible rewards can make a big difference. Treat yourself to something you enjoy as a reward for reaching milestones. Learn from setbacks. Resilience is essential. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Take time for analysis. Identify the reasons for setbacks and develop strategies to avoid them in the future. Seek support. Accountability matters. Share your goals with friends, family, or a support group. Surround yourself with encouragement. Be with people who believe in you and offer support. Remember, building self-discipline is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. By following these steps and practicing consistently, you can develop the willpower you need to achieve your goals.